You take to your teacher and give it to him. All right, this will do. Oh yes, this will do. This cup will do. Now, when the teacher saw that he is coming with a cup of sugar and promised that he would supply for whatever required, he would supply. Now he became very angry. He cheated me like that and so on. So, he, out of anger, he threw it. Now, after some time when he came back, he saw that the sugar is fallen down on the ground, but the pot is full. Then he tried again got it. So as much as he could take, he took, but the pot is always full. The pot is always full. So this is the position of spiritual. From spiritual, you may draw as much as you can, but it is always full. That is the spiritual idea. So God is so full, is puripūrṇa, pūrṇa. So even God comes out of God, still God is there. That is incarnation. If God himself comes out of God, so therefore God in the heart of so many millions and billions of living entities does not mean that God has lost himself. God is still there. That is the spiritual idea. And this is not, I am not talking to you, some manufacturing, coining some word. No, there is Vedic hymn, pūrṇamada, pūrṇamidam, pūrṇāt pūrṇamudachyate, pūrṇasya pūrṇamādāya, pūrṇameva avasishyate. All right. If there is any question, you can make.